This year we have the Healthy Strides 5K, 10K, and Kids Dash at Burke Lake Park. It's going to be on April 30th, and this is our 10-year Runniversary. We are very excited to celebrate with the community and our past Healthy Striders, and also welcoming anyone else who wants to try their first 5K or dip into a 10K, and it's very exciting. So this event is really great for the whole family. The 5K is very accessible. It is stroller friendly. It's all on roads. So it's something for everyone in the community. The 10K is a beautiful course. It's out on the trails around the lake. So this year we have a kids dash for the little kids to get out their wiggles before they get strapped into strollers and join their parents on the 5K run. Plus they get a chance to run across the finish line, so they get to be the stars of the show. If you would like more information or to register for this event, please go to our website.